Ever wondered what it's really like to dine at the MSC Seaside Yacht Club? Well, sit back and relax. And grab your favorite MSC Yacht Club drink. And let's explore this topic together. Hello. And welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. And I am back. So I guess you can say that I am back, Jack. Ever wondered what it's really like to dine at the MSC Seaside Yacht Club? The MSC Seaside Yacht Club is a whole new level of luxury and exclusivity when it comes to cruising. And when you're talking about luxury, you gotta talk about the food. I mean, who doesn't love a good meal? But what really sets the yacht club apart is the dining experience. It's not just about the food, it's about the ambience, the service, the whole shebang. So, if you're thinking about splurging on a yacht club suite, or you're just curious about what all the fuss is about, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of yacht club dining and give you the insider scoop. The MSC Seaside is a stunning ship, with its sleek design and modern amenities. But the yacht club takes it to a whole new level. It's like a ship within a ship, with its own private restaurants, bars, and lounges. You get your own private concierge, your own private sun deck, and even your own private restaurant. One of the things that really sets the yacht club apart is the attention to detail. From the moment you step on board, you're treated like royalty. The staff is attentive, the decor is lavish, and the food is, of course, incredible. You can tell that the designers of the ship really thought about how to create an immersive luxury experience. Now let's talk about the dining experience itself. The yacht club has a range of restaurants to choose from, each with its own unique style and menu. You've got your fine dining restaurant, your casual buffet, and even a private restaurant just for yacht club guests. And the menus. Oh boy, they're incredible. From gourmet appetizers to decadent desserts, you'll be spoiled for choice. Let me take just a second to ask you, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do so at this time. Also turn on the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to stream all my other videos to get caught up on all these awesome videos. One of the things I love about the yacht club dining experience is the flexibility. You can eat when you want, where you want, and with whoever you want. Want a romantic dinner for two? Done. Want to grab a quick bite with the kids? Easy peasy. The yacht club has got you covered. And then there's the food itself. Oh my God. I mean, I've had some amazing meals in my life, but the yacht club takes it to a whole new level. From foie gras to lobster thermidor, the chefs on the seaside really know their stuff. And the presentation? Absolutely stunning. I've been lucky enough to try a range of dishes on the seaside, and I've got to say, every single one was incredible. From the tenderloin steak to the seafood risotto, the quality of the ingredients is just top-notch. And the best part? You can try as much or as little as you like, without breaking the bank. But it's not just about the food, it's about the atmosphere. The yacht club restaurants are designed to make you feel like royalty, with their lavish decor and impeccable service. You'll feel like you're dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, without the hefty price tag. One of the things that really surprised me about the yacht club dining experience was the variety. I mean, I was expecting gourmet food, but I wasn't expecting gourmet food from all around the world. From Italian to Indian, Japanese to Mexican, the chefs on the seaside really know how to bring the flavors of the world to your plate. And then there's the wine list. Oh boy, the wine list. With hundreds of bottles to choose from, you'll be spoiled for choice. From fine Italian reds to crisp Californian whites, the yacht club has got the perfect pairing for whatever you're in the mood for. But what really sets the yacht club apart is the exclusivity. I mean, you're not just dining with anyone, you're dining with the elite. You're part of a special club, a club that values luxury, exclusivity, and attention to detail. Of course, one of the things that might be holding you back is the price tag. I mean, yacht club suites don't come cheap. But let me tell you, it's worth it. The luxury, the exclusivity, the food, it's all worth it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is the yacht club dining experience really worth the hype? Is it really worth the extra cost? And my answer is, absolutely. I mean, where else can you dine like royalty, without breaking the bank? Of course, there are some criticisms of the yacht club dining experience. Some people say it's too exclusive, that it's not worth the price tag. But let me tell you, if you're looking for a luxury experience, the yacht club delivers. In the end, the yacht club dining experience is all about luxury, exclusivity, and attention to detail. It's about feeling like royalty, without breaking the bank. And if you're thinking about splurging on a yacht club suite, I say go for it. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions about the yacht club dining experience, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more cruise videos and insider tips. And don't forget to check out my other video on the top 10 things to do on the MSC Seaside.